Did you know that tuk-tuks are a popular mode of transportation in Bangkok? These three-wheeled motorized vehicles are not only a convenient way to get around the city, but also provide a thrilling and adventurous ride, zipping through traffic in narrow streets. Sawadee! Welcome to Opentiera. Today we're covering the crazy things you can do in Bangkok that you might end up doing like in the Hangover movie. Stay to the end and see where you will end up when riding a tuk-tuk. Khao Road is famous for its buzzing excitement and electrifying energy. If you're an adventure seeker looking for a thrill or a backpacker looking to make some wild memories, this place has what you're looking for. The best way to get to this place is to get in a tuk-tuk and go on a nerve-wracking adventure through Bangkok's chaotic streets. Tuk-tuks are three-wheeled taxis that zip through traffic with an exhilarating sense of speed. Hold on tight as you make your way through the busy city, taking in the sights and sounds. It is an exciting way to see the city and get your heart racing. As soon as you get there, the road is lined with bars and crazy challenges that will put your toughness to the test. From spicy food challenges to quirky drinking games, these bars have it all. Can you handle the heat of the spiciest chili in town? Are you up for a game of beer pong with the locals? Take on these challenges to show your endurance while having a blast. What better way to dive into the party scene than with a bucket in hand? Get ready to dance the night away as you sip on a cocktail served in a literal bucket. It's a wild, no-holds-barred experience that'll keep you grooving till the early hours of the morning. Want to top it off with some ink? With a large number of tattoo shops offering a range of designs, the area is a destination for tattoo lovers. Get a permanent memory of your time on Khao Road and leave with a unique piece of art. The use of insects in local cuisine is one example of how modern innovation coexists with traditional culinary practices in Bangkok. As a sustainable and high-protein food source, insects have long been a staple of many cultures' traditional diets. Fried crickets are the perfect way to start our food journey through insects. These crunchy critters are seasoned with spices and herbs and then deep-fried to perfection. The result? A crispy and savory snack that will surprise your taste buds. Do not let their appearance put you off. Give them a try and you might find a new favorite. Prepare to step up the insect ladder with silkworm larvae, a popular street food delicacy in Bangkok. These soft and chewy larvae are frequently stir-fried with garlic and soy sauce to produce a flavorful and textured treat. As we add water beetles to the mix, get ready for an exotic experience. Thai food frequently features these enormous aquatic insects. Water beetles have a crunchy exterior and surprisingly tasty interior. They're frequently deep-fried and spice-seasoned. Are you ready to go on a new food journey? Say hello to bamboo worms. These plump and juicy larvae are often sautéed with garlic and chili, creating a delightful blend of flavors. Their tender texture and savory taste might just make you forget that you're indulging in insects. It's time to step into the world of unique textures and flavors with ant egg salad. This dish features ant eggs mixed with fresh herbs, spices, and a spicy dressing. The result is a crunchy and slightly acidic salad that offers a taste unlike anything you've experienced before. Get ready for a true delicacy in the world of edible insects, fried grasshoppers. These crispy bugs are seasoned to perfection and are a popular snack among locals and adventurous eaters. Don't be shy, grab a handful and give them a try. You might just find yourself hooked on their crunchy goodness. The King Power Mahanakhon Skywalk is not just any ordinary observation deck. It's a heart-pounding and thrilling experience that will leave you in awe of Bangkok's lively skyline. Get ready to be awestruck as you climb to the pinnacle of King Power Mahanakhon Tower, where its astounding heights will leave you breathless. With a height of over 300 meters or 984 feet, this architectural marvel stands tall and proud, offering unparalleled views of the city. The sheer size and grandeur of the tower will leave you feeling humbled and excited for what lies ahead. Brace yourself for a unique and adrenaline-pumping experience, the glass train. The main observation deck of the King Power Mahanakhon Skywalk has a glass tray that extends out, giving you the impression that you are walking on air. You can stand on the transparent floor, look down, and experience the thrill of watching the cityscape appear beneath your feet. Prepare to be mesmerized by Bangkok's 360-degree views when you arrive at the observation deck. From here, you can see the entire city spread out before you, complete with iconic attractions, bustling streets, and the widening Chao River. It is a sight that will leave you speechless and amazed by the city's beauty. The Chao Phraya River is the lifeblood of Bangkok, flowing through the heart of the city and offering a unique perspective on its rich history and vibrant present. As you cruise along the Chao Phraya River, be prepared to be blown away by the famous architectural marvel that line its banks. From the magnificent Grand Palace and Wat Arun to the lively Asiatique on the riverfront, each landmark tells a story of Bangkok's past and present. On your river cruise, get ready for some traditional Thai cultural entertainment. From captivating Thai dance performances to captivating music shows, these cultural displays showcase the rich heritage and artistic traditions of Thailand. Sit back, relax, and let the performances transport you to a world of beauty and elegance. As the sun sets and darkness falls, the Chao Phraya River transforms into a magical display of light. The riverfront buildings, bridges, and boats illuminate, creating a mesmerizing view. It's a perfect opportunity to capture stunning photographs and witness the city come alive with sparkling colors. If you're lucky, your Chao Phraya River cruise might be met with fireworks. During special events or celebrations, fireworks light up the night sky, creating a breathtaking display of colors and sparks. It's a moment of pure magic and joy that will captivate you. Spoil yourself with a sumptuous dinner with a view like no other. Many Chao Phraya River cruises offer dining experiences where you can enjoy delicious Thai cuisine while taking in the views of the river and the cityscape. It's a perfect fusion of tantalizing culinary delights and stunning scenery, a feast that will satisfy your taste buds and your eyes. After all the exhilarating adventures you've experienced in Bangkok, this is the best way to end your trip to this splendid country. Thai massage, also known as Nuad Thai, has been an integral part of Thai culture for centuries and holds a significant place in Thai culture. This ancient practice combines acupressure, stretching techniques, and assisted yoga postures to create a holistic healing experience. It focuses on balancing the body's energy pathways, commonly referred to as sen lines. The therapist uses their hands, thumbs, elbows, and even feet to apply pressure and stimulate these lines, allowing the energy to flow freely. This energy balancing is believed to restore harmony within the body, promoting overall well-being. One of the defining features of Thai massage is its incorporation of assisted yoga-like stretches. During the session, the therapist guides your body into various positions, stretching and flexing your muscles. These gentle and controlled movements increase flexibility, improve joint mobility, and relieve muscle tension. Imagine a blissful yoga session where you can completely unwind while someone else guides you through the practice. The massage is famous for its ability to induce deep relaxation and alleviate stress. As the tension melts away, you'll feel a profound sense of relaxation, rejuvenation, and inner peace. It targets not only physical tension, but also emotional and energetic blockages. Through acupressure and stretching techniques, the therapist works to release any stagnant energy and promote the free flow of vital life force. It's an opportunity to let go of negative emotions, restore balance, and recharge your spirit. Thai massage can improve blood circulation, boost the immune system, enhance digestion, and even relieve chronic pain and muscle soreness. The combination of pressure, stretching, and rhythmic movements helps stimulate the body's natural healing processes, leaving you feeling revitalized and invigorated. Beyond its physical and therapeutic benefits, Thai massage allows you to get lost in Thai culture. The ambiance, the aromatic scents, the gentle music, and the warm hospitality all contribute to an authentic experience. Thai massage is not just a treatment, it's a journey that connects you with the cultural heritage and traditions of Thailand. If you enjoyed this video in Bangkok, you'll love this next video.